Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the Interactive Brokers platform. First, navigate to the Interactive Brokers website and begin the account creation process. You'll need to provide some personal details and verify your identity, which is a standard security measure. Next, select the type of account you wish to open, perhaps an individual or a joint account. After completing the application, submit it and wait for approval, which usually takes a few business days. Once your account is approved, the next step is to fund it. Log in and find the funding section. You'll see various deposit methods available. A common choice is a bank wire transfer. Simply select your preferred method and enter the amount you'd like to deposit, perhaps $5,000. Double-check all the details before confirming the transaction to ensure a smooth transfer of funds into your new brokerage account. With funds in your account, it's time to explore the platform. Download and install the Trader Workstation, or TWS, software. Take some time to familiarize yourself with its layout and the many powerful tools it offers. You can customize your workspace to display the information most relevant to your trading style. Don't forget to explore the extensive market data and research options available to help inform your decisions. Now for the exciting part, placing your first trade. Use the search bar to find the specific stock or asset you're interested in. Once selected, you'll enter your order details, such as the quantity of shares and the order type, like a limit or market order. Always review your order thoroughly before submitting it to avoid any errors. After submission, you can monitor your open orders and current positions directly within the platform.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.